From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Chris Long, a student meteorologist here at the Penn State Campus Weather Service with a look at our Friday afternoon forecast. We begin with a very bleak view out at Beaver Stadium at this hour. The rain is coming down, and it is dark and unfortunately dreary out there at this hour. Currently, we're sitting at 32 degrees here in State College, and it feels like 32, but that visibility is only at 2 miles right now because of the rain that is falling and the mist that is coming down. So do be careful as you head out on the roads this afternoon. Taking a look at the temperatures across the center region of the state is 32 here in State College, slightly warmer with 33 in Altoona, 35 in Johnstown, and 41 in Indiana. As we look back towards the east, our temperature is 35 degrees in Harrisburg right now, and the warm spot comes from Philadelphia, which sits at 47 at this hour. So taking a look at the radar and satellite across Pennsylvania, we see that we have this large swath of rain that's making its way up from the south, really covering the eastern 2/3 of the state this afternoon. That's where the rain is coming from here in State College. And as we take a look at the entire East Coast, we see this system with rain making its way all the way up the East Coast. And that rain will continue to pump into central Pennsylvania as we head into the weekend this weekend. And it will unfortunately be a wet weekend for those of us here in State College. So here's our future weather. We see by 8 o'clock tonight more rain making its way from the south. That will continue really on and off overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow and tomorrow afternoon we see that rain continuing to make its way from the south, keeping us pretty damp here in State College. And then tomorrow afternoon, what we'll be looking out for is that rain-snow line starting to make its way from west to east across our state as the temperatures do cool along with this system. By 2 p.m., this particular model showing us having snow for the western portions of the state, and then as we go later into the day on Saturday, that rain-snow line moves its way south and eastward, and by 10 p.m. we could be having a few snow showers here in State College. That will all move out as we move towards our Sunday, and our Sunday actually won't be bad. By 4 o'clock, we're showing some clear skies here in State College, and really the eastern 2/3 of the state, maybe a few clouds to the west. But unfortunately, after that, we do have another system on the way for the beginning part of next week. So let's take a look at that. By 7:30 a.m. on Monday, maybe a few snowflakes here in State College and in areas to the south and west of us. However, as the system moves through, we will have sort of a warm sector on its way. We will definitely have rain out of this event. It's just a matter of how much snow we get at the beginning and how much snow we get at the end. This particular model showing that at 5 p.m. on Monday, we're still getting snow here in State College, but further to the south and further to the west, we're having rain. That changeover will happen at some point overnight, Monday night, where we'll get rain here in State College, and then it's even possible that we could go back to snow on the back end of the system. By 8 a.m. on Tuesday, we could be having some snow again here in State College. And then that snow could hang on as we'll mostly have lake effect snow showers heading into our Wednesday. So here's our forecast for tonight. We're forecasting a low of 34 degrees. That rain will continue, as we were saying, on and off overnight. Tonight it will be another kind of dreary night here in State College. Tomorrow, much of the same as today, except we do get slightly warmer, our high at 44 degrees. That rain will be pretty steady throughout the afternoon, and then that temperature will be coming down throughout the day. We could be having some snow overnight to tomorrow night, into Sunday. So here's our 7-day forecast from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. Again, maybe seeing some AM rain, maybe even snow on Sunday, and then the sun should come out actually. But unfortunately, Monday into Tuesday, we do have another system on the way, and then after that, it will get pretty chilly. Wednesday and Thursday, especially Wednesday. Let's take a look at that. The high only topping out in the mid-20s. Thursday, we're back to the mid-30s, and we may actually see some sun, and then we wrap up finals week with a high of 35 and cloudy a week from today. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, we would like to thank you for watching our broadcast throughout this entire fall semester. We hope you and yours have a warm and safe holiday season. I'm Chris Long, and I hope everyone has a great Friday.